Mustang, baby. What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Nanu Garage, and right here I'm out with my 2018 Shelby GT350. Many people have seen me launch my car in other videos, and many people have asked me how I do the launch control procedure, how I set it up, all the technicalities to it, how I get my car to launch well and not bog out from the start. I'm gonna be doing a few launch controls in my GT350. I'm gonna show you guys the technique of letting go of the clutch, how I would change the RPMs if your car does a certain thing, and we're gonna see what time we can get. So I'm not expecting to get a very good time. As you can see, they are cracked all along here and the tread is pretty low, because I think these are the original tires from when I got the car, and I got the car used, so I'm like 90% sure these are the original tires, all cracked and stuff. But we got new tires on the way, new wheels, so we'll see what 0 to 60 times we get when I get those put onto the vehicle. So let's go ahead and hop up into the car and see what we need to do to activate our launch control. So you have your launch control switch right over here, so you can toggle that on and off, and you'll see a little LC in the bottom corner. But before doing that, what I would recommend, get onto your main menu over here, and what I would do is go down into track apps, and then we have our launch control. So you can toggle your launch control on through this menu too. So you go track apps, launch control, and then under launch control you do it so it's check the box. And then RPM, I would start off from the bottom, which is going to be 4,000 RPMs, and then you can work your way all the way up to 6,000. When you put your e-brake down, put your clutch in, put it into first gear with your clutch in all the way down, and then what you're going to do is hold down your gas, and it's just going to hold the revs there. So then if you go ahead and let off right over here, put it back into neutral, of course, you can toggle it all the way up to whatever RPM you want. So if I did it 6,000 RPMs, for example, which is the max, put my clutch in, hold it in, put it in first gear, floor the gas, and it's going to be a 6,000 RPM launch. So from what I found out, whoa, check it out, there's Crazy LA, he just pulled up. And my windows are closed and you can still hear this fool's pops. But anyways, as you can see, it says RPM right over there. It still does let me rev up the car and it holds the rev, so we're going to try it out. And that's with just launch control off. When you put it on, it shows LC for launch control, and then as soon as you hit this off, it shows RPM, launch control not available. However, it does still let me hold the launch, but as soon as you hold this down and it turns off the advanced track, as you can see right over there, advanced track, you can no longer toggle the LC mode. So we'll go ahead and see if different modes will work, but we'll go give it a shot. All right guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and give this a shot. So what I figured out is with advanced track fully off, it does not want to let you use the launch control system. So I'm assuming that that's something you cannot do, because I actually haven't seen anyone ever use that, but we are still gonna do it at the end. We're gonna try to manually launch it and hold up the RPMs with advanced track off. Right now on our first run through, we're gonna go ahead and do it in sport mode with our traction control off, and then we'll go on to drag strip mode and see how that works. And then after our drag strip mode, we'll use one of the modes with advanced track fully off. We just shot straight tire the whole way down. That was hilarious.
At the moment?
Yes.
Yes. Unless it's a game, get bored, then he's totally we're gonna see you, we're gonna race you.
Alright.
We both got race cars.
Okay. Oh, that's awesome.
Alright, Richard, do a burnout. He has a driver's permit, we're teaching our neighbor how to drive. Step on it!
Ooh, Harry got the new AMG. Wait. Do you guys see that? New AMG C63 headlights? What? All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and toggle into our drag strip mode, and we're gonna try out how drag strip mode will be for the car. Because for those of you who follow my videos, you guys know that when I did try out drag strip mode in the future, I was so surprised that like the front wheels feel like they're not that connected to the road. And that is because the car's shocks are set up so it's stiff in the front, soft in the back, so it can really squat. So it definitely does help you in a straight line performance from the straight line standpoint. As you guys can see, I did a straight up just burnout down the whole entire thing. That was nuts. And what I'm doing with the clutch, which I've seen other people do, is some people just completely dump it like that. You do not want to dump it. If you slowly let off and kind of slip it, there's a good perfect point to it, then the car will launch better. But when people just dump it, the car really does bog out like immediately, and it's just a terrible launch. All right, here we go. Oh my god. So as you can see, we didn't get into second gear right there because I'm not sure if some of you guys know, I'm not trying to make excuses or anything, but sometimes when the wheels are spinning way too much, this car does not let you, like, it just locks you out of gears. That could have been my fault right there, but I did let go of the clutch faster than I wanted to. So next time around, we'll definitely try it differently. That was a bad draggy run right there, so we're gonna go ahead and just scrap it. But we let go of the clutch way too quick, which is why it kind of bogged out. So I guess that's the good example of what not to do. Right when I told you guys what to do, I did not do it at all. So I was trying to find that perfect balance between the first and the second run, but all right guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and turn our advanced track fully off, and we're just gonna try this with the advanced track fully off in the drag mode and see how it works. So we're just gonna go ahead and let go of the clutch, manually launch it right here. Actually hooked up towards the end once I hit the third gear right over there. So that was pretty fun right there. I enjoyed that one. The drag racing mode definitely makes an astronomical difference when you're using the drag mode. You can actually feel that back end planting a lot more. Now if I did the same thing right over here in sport mode and I turned off the advanced track, you guys will go ahead and see how much this thing will spin going into the other gears. So as you can see from right over here, Mustang, baby! Stay standing there.
You do one more?
No, I'm gonna park it. So this thing's proper fun in those modes. I hope this helped you guys out with the launch control and launching your GT350. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once I get new tires in, trust me, we will properly send these off to the graveyard, these tires that we have on it right now. Stay tuned for the new wheels. Got new stuff going around on the outside of the vehicle that I'm very excited to show you guys all. And let me know if you guys have any questions on how to launch it. Let me know down below in the comment section. I got a lot of questions regarding this, so I hope this answers everything with launching your vehicle. So just remember, if you are gonna launch it, honestly try out that drag strip mode. I don't see many people trying this out. It is such an awesome mode, so definitely do try that out. Let me know what you guys thought of the video down below in the comment section. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on any Mustang content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
You see a carku, call the cops, boy. AK all day, body start to drop, boy. Bamba jinya beat on, sari diya street on. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop.